Meaning of ETA.
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 ETA. ETA stands for Estimated Time of Arrival. It is a term commonly used in transportation logistics to refer to the expected arrival time of a shipment or vehicle at a specific destination. ETA is based on various factors such as distance, traffic, weather conditions, and shipping method. An accurate ETA is crucial for effective planning and communication with customers. It helps to manage expectations and improve customer satisfaction. In summary, ETA is an estimated time of arrival used in transportation logistics to convey when a shipment or vehicle is expected to arrive at a specific destination.